think the thing that I'd like my students to take away is just love of learning, passion for agriculture, passion for life. In its 200th year, you can't go past the fact that the RAS has had such an important part of New South Wales and for the rest of Australia. So our chance of our children to be here beyond Royal Easter Show, which our kids attribute the RAS to, and to integrate the importance of these industries within our society has been fundamental and the sole reason for us coming here. Cross-curricular experience in a relevant and important context. While farming is what happens on property, it's far beyond that as well. It's that integration, it's that everyday life, what sustains life. And if our kids can walk away having an enjoyable experience and learning something, but really being embedded with those philosophies and principles, that's all I ask. We've seen this rejuvenation of feelings towards agriculture, but also the way in which it's produced. It's really moving beyond what a lot of our kids even imagine is out there, and to know that by 2050 there's going to be much more infrared technology, data collecting collars, things like that. So we're really working as, I think, ag teachers in general to really bust the myth of agriculture is in the past, where really agriculture is our future.